After 16 months into the COVID pandemic and after almost 3 months in the second phase of the pandemic, we are currently facing a major problem, and that is because of mucormycosis. And wrongly, it has been termed as a black fungus. Actually speaking, this fungus is not black. Because of mucormycosis, some areas get ulcer. After some ulcers, they get necros because blood supply goes down. The fungus start eating the blood supply, and because when it becomes necros, it becomes black, and therefore they started calling it black fungus. This fungus is not black. Secondly, why mucormycosis is happening? Basically, a lot of people who have diabetes. Secondly, even after COVID also, people who did not have diabetes, they get diabetes. And because of steroid, the diabetes get worsened. And steroid has been used left, right and center indiscriminately and by almost everybody, sometimes self-medication, because in India, you can buy this medicine over the counter. No one questions your prescription. And once the immunity goes down, immunity also can goes down because of the tocilizumab and other injections which were used. But generally, because of diabetes and because of lot of steroid, immunity goes down. And when immunity goes down, body attracts opportunistic infections. And one of the very common opportunistic infection currently is mucormycosis. Mucor is a fungus which is easily found anywhere in our atmosphere. They are below the carpet, they are in AC ducts, they are in humidifier which are used in the oxygen tubing, nasal cannula which are used. So if you are not using a clean water or a sterile water, then you can get fungus over there. Fungus is more common in summer than winter. Fungus is more common in places like Mumbai, which has humidity than interior part of the country. But anyway, once the fungus spreads, then this fungus spreads in the nasal area, sinus area, eyes, and from there it can go to brain, it can go to lungs. And therefore, we need to arrest this fungus as early as possible. To treat this fungus, there are only 3 antifungals which are useful. One of them is amphotericin B, second one is posaconazole, and third one is isavuconazole. All 3 are very expensive. In amphotericin B, there are 2 types. One is a conventional or non-liposomal, and one is liposomal. Liposomal is very expensive. There are only 3-4 companies which are making this liposomal amphotericin B. BDR Pharmaceutical makes the highest number of these injections, Cipla and Sun Pharmaceutical. And internationally, Gilead is the largest manufacturer for liposomal amphotericin B. But currently, there is a shortage of even all the products because the requirement is almost 3 to 4 times more than what is being produced. Manufacturing process is tedious, therefore all the pharma companies cannot manufacture. Fortunately, this is not a patented drug because it's quite an old drug. So there is no need of any compulsory license or voluntary license. And the major problem also is some of the ingredients are to be imported. And the ingredient which has a liposomal part or a lipid part has to be imported from Germany. And Germany has a shortage of this product because the same lipid part is also used in Pfizer COVID vaccines. And some parts also come from, some components also come from China. And as you know, our relationship with China is not so good. So it is an uphill task to get the ingredients in the quantities which we require. And therefore, there is a great shortage. Each patient requires 4 to 6 weeks of treatment and almost 60 to 100 vials. And each vial is costing between 5,000 to 8,000 between different companies. So it is 5 to 6 lakh rupees medicine cost, hospitalization cost, and most of the times you need to do surgery because if the part of your nose or eye, they are invaded, we need to remove that, otherwise it will go to brain and it will spread faster. The fatality rate is between 17 to 50%. And because of that, despite doing all these things, we are losing patients. So there is an atmosphere of panic. Government of India has declared this as a pandemic or epidemic disease. And Government of India, medical community and pharmaceutical companies are doing all their best to mitigate this mucormycosis, which has been wrongly labeled as black fungus because this fungus is not black. After the ulcers, that area becomes necrotized or it looks black, and therefore they call it black fungus.